Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Leech, you know what to do. Probably not, but now you do. I'm back with another video based off this look, which was inspired by my new hair color. So if you guys want to know how I did this look right here, continue to watch the next video. And do not forget to like, comment down below what you guys want to see next, and subscribe to my channel. I didn't really know what look I want to go for, but I'm gonna be doing I want to do like kind of like a double crease. I'm not gonna do my whole face today. I'm just gonna do like a mini eye tutorial for you guys. So just to be extra, I got a little bag of hoops right here. I just dyed my hair, so I want to look super duper cute. So I'm putting on some cute little bamboo earrings. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with some concealer, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is supposed to be a dupe of Sharp Tape. Alright, so today I'm going to be using purple shades to match my hair. So for my first shade, I'm going to be using this color right here. I know it looks crappy right now, but just the process. Oh, it looks patchy, sis. And I'm just bringing my eyeshadow all the way towards my eyebrow. This doesn't have to be perfect because this is just like a transition shade. Okay, so I'm gonna blend that out just a tad. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bone with the Milani Stellar Lights palette. Just using this shade right here before I go any further in my looks. So taking the dark purple, I'm just going to be putting that underneath right here and blending that out. So now I'm going to be using the black, and that I'm going to go right underneath where I put that purple. Excuse me. Just a little bit.
Okay, so now taking that soft pink from the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend above my crease to blend out the rest of the colors. After that's blended out, I went ahead and just cut my crease with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer.
Okay, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this. Okay, so now that I finished my eye, I'm going to go ahead and set both eyes with a highlight. And the highlight is going to be the same that I used for my brow bone, which is the Milani Stellar Heights palette. So I'm going to be taking this brush, and I'm going to be taking the dark purple shade, and I'm going to make a eyeliner effect. Okay, so now that I finished using the dark purple as my liner, I'm going to go ahead and fade it out using these two colors. This one first, and then this one second.
Now using the same brush, I went ahead and used my Infallible Concealer to clean up any of the harsh lines. So now that the look is basically completed, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my eyebrows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown.
Alright guys, so this is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating this video for you guys. Please do not forget to go like and comment down on this video. Also to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will be back next time with another video. Bye guys.